Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for Color Rush Studios, and I'm coming up with a plan. There is a plan. I'm coming up with it. I don't even know what I want to do. So we have this kit that is all based on Poppy and Pear from Beaverland, and the collection is gorgeous and beautiful, and I did one layout with it already. I thought it was super fun to work with. And one of the sheets features, let me see, do I have any more of it? A bunch of these pieces right here. They're all fussy cut pieces, right? And they look like picture frames. I was like, okay, these are really interesting to me. And I thought it would be super fun to do some kind of a gallery kind of a wall. I'm like, okay, great. Now, we did get a bunch of embroidery floss in either the add-on kit or the main kit, I don't know. So I was like, all right, I can hang things from my gallery wall. And then what I also did is I printed a bunch of pictures from the same trip, and I printed them kind of small because I thought, I'll try to get them, hopefully I'll be able to get some put within the gallery wall, right? So I can make like these little picture frames. I thought it'd be hilarious. Okay, so that's my plan with that. So I'll have to just cut out the centers of some of these. Great, we can do that. Now, this looks wallpapery. What I want to do is figure out which one I should use. What's on the other side? Oh, that's cute. This would really show. And what I would want to do is use different frames. I have 6 photos printed. Oh, see, and I can have my frames going in different ways. I like the idea of getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, of getting like both kind of circular shape as well as rectangles. And, I even cut on the piece I even cut these smaller pieces with the idea that maybe there is something I'd want to do with them, right? And those might be the ones I do a little bit of embellishing in. I don't know. That might be really, really cute. Now, so that's going to be the idea with that. So yeah, maybe I'll go in and I will still use these funny little offcuts because I did cut them out. I thought they would be really sweet little extra pieces, right? So I like that idea right there. These are full-size pieces. I can keep them to the side. Let's see, what else do I have? That's an itty bitty piece. Guys, I really like the idea of using up some of these funky little bits. I can do another round one. That would be really cute. But I wanted them all hanging up. Like they're totally like really gallery, right? Oh, we got to separate those a little bit. They can't be on like the same exact plane because, they're the same ones. Okay, so maybe I will have one left over, and that's fine. Totally fine. All right, so kind of like that. Now, and I'll have these for later. Now, what would I like to do next? I want something like either on the top or the bottom. So let me move this carefully. This idea, right? Now, I love backing my layout, so maybe I could back it with this. Don't mind, don't love. Let's see what else we have. We've got some of the most gorgeous little pieces. I could double mat it. What are you guys thinking? All right, I know I want this. Okay, let's calm down. Now, I could do something more dramatic like this, but I don't think they're going to just show quite as much. That's the issue with that. I don't know, guys. I wish you were here to help. That would be so nice of you. Okay, and we also have something like this that I think's amazing. Now, other things we have, guys, there are so many pieces I fussy cut out. We could have those pieces, but I could also have embroidery floss pieces, and that might be embroidery pieces, not floss, whatever. You know what I mean. We could always do something like that and come in with some of the hoops too, like it's a whole like pretty gallery wall. Maybe we should do that because that will bring in a lot more color. What do you guys think? I think so too. Okay, So let's go ahead and do that. We're just going to switch it out a little bit. I'll have 5 photos. I'm going to have the embroidery hoops. I'm going to have to go ahead and pop up all of these pieces because I'm definitely going to want to use some of that dimension. Guys, these are so gorgeous. Oh, look at these. That might be layout number 3. I don't know. There's so many wonderful things in this. We could make, how many of these do I have? There's so many wonderful things in this collection that it is literally hard to choose. Okay, so we'll do that. Let's get rid of these round ones in the middle, only because the embroidery hoops will take care of that kind of a vibe. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right, I'm gonna put the hoops. I'm gonna put 5 photos. I need to, of course, like we talked about it, I need to be able to go ahead. That one's a better one. See, this one has a piece cut. And then I'll just go ahead and do hoops. Yeah. And then on some of the other ones, I like the idea that it's like, this is like in a town too. Do we have 3 big houses, do you guys think? Look at that chair. I'm seeing if there's 3 big houses or not, because that would be kind of cool. Oh, there is. So I think I'm gonna have a little town down below, right? Just the sweetest little town. This can go over here because I want that post office box showing. All right, I like the way this is coming together. So I have a town in the foreground. Bookstore gets to go in front because I love bookstores. Now I like that matted with that because I'm getting more color. And I'm going to have an embroidery hoop and gallery wall above it. I am thinking that my little town, though, needs a tiny bit of land because, you know, clearly it's truly land. So let's see on my torn bits what I have. You know, the pieces I've already used. I thought I'd look at them first to see what would be good grass. I know it's not really grass. You guys don't come at me. Ooh, I'm going to use this right here because they're florals. That's close enough to grass. Oh, it's the other side of this. And I still have a full sheet. So I feel good about it. I'm going to use scraps. I'm going to use the things. Okay, that was so convoluted. 7 minutes in and we came up with our design. Wow. All right, so I'm going to use the smaller ones that I fussy cut is what I think I'm going to do. My big houses, a little bit of land down below. And by land, I mean I'm just going to go ahead and tear a piece and see exactly how we like it. That's going to be so cute down here. So cute. Okay. I think I've got a little bit of homework ahead of me. Let me pop all of these pieces down. What do you guys think? This was all in Charleston. So I'm going to need a little bit of a title. Maybe I should put them here. I don't know. Like, I'm thinking my title can go right into the grass as well. And that would be really cute, guys. I love it. I love it already. Okay, let me get these pieces down. I'll come back and we'll get some decorating done together. So I have gotten some good leeway. I don't have any of the photos tacked down yet, but I thought it would be really cute to have each of the little bits hanging from some embroidery floss and a bow. You know, because that's how gallery walls apparently look in my imagination. So let's go ahead and just do a little mix of them. That's too limey for what I have going. I love that we got all kinds of different colors. It makes it super fun. I'll put that one there. Maybe a tiny bit of this yellowy color. Oh, I don't mind the lime at all, though. It's very nice. A baby blue. So my whole point is that I'm going to just go ahead and string them all up and have them hanging. I think what I want to title this is Glimpses because these are just little bits of this trip my husband and I went on. And I think that would be super cute. I have room for the title there. Then I'll come back and I think at that point we're just going to do a little bit of, ooh, I should take that one out and put this one in. Holy moly, that is cute. Okay, see, that's how quickly we make these decisions. And this one, oh my, look at this one. I pull out something and, you know, things can change rapidly. Okay, apparently I needed to use those pieces too. So after we get these little bits and pieces on, we're just going to do a few little finishing touches and it will be done. I think it's so fun and so cute and shows all kinds of photos on one little layout. All right, guys, so I'm looking at this and trying to figure out what I possibly could add because I like it so much that, I mean, it's the little, these are like these acrylic-y little bows. They're so cute and they ended up being the perfect picture hangers. Now, the only thing, I don't have enamel dots with this kit. Otherwise, I would pop a few of them on. I definitely, ooh, this sweet little tree. That might be so cute. I wish I had like 2 trees and I don't. Guys, look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, so that's a cute little tree. I do have some little cutesy trees here, but it might make these pieces look like mansions. No, they're a pretty good size. All right, let me get a couple little trees in my clusters. We need to like fix up this neighborhood a little bit. Just a quick little zhuzh. So I can't really do anything there, but I can put one there. All right, so I'm gonna put a few little trees, not a big deal, just enough for it to make me happy. And then I've got these, guys, did you guys see these? These little like corduroy strawberries? Maybe the cutest thing in the history of ever. Okay, so I might have to call this one done. Look at it, I love it. Because I love it, it's simple, it's clean, it is perfect for what we have going on here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop a couple of those trees up, get a few still shots going. Guys, I'm gonna have links down below for where you can get your hands on these kits. Now, I do know, I think I told you guys, that there is a 15% off code, which, you know, I'll include down below. There's a 15% off code for your first kit. As there's also a free gift with the first kit promo going on right now. So you guys will definitely want to get in on all of that. Guys, I love this. That's so cute. You guys will want to get a subscription going because I love the exclusives and the different textural things we get with these kits. But let me go ahead and show you this fun little complete layout. I think it was a blast. Lots of photos, lots of fun. I loved putting it together. And guys, I think I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Some still shots to follow right there, guys. Bye for now.